Hey people, how you doing? How is your week? What's the biggest lesson you learned this week? What's that? Oh, you want me to tell you mine first? I'll do that for you. My biggest lesson is you are not entitled to know step number 2 until you have taken step number 1. God is so good, He's so faithful, but many times He doesn't tell you everything at once because it will be too much for you. What He does, He tells you a specific phase. When you do that, He will tell you the next one. But we want to know everything. We want to know step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, step 7, step 8, step 9, step 10. No. Just do the step 1 that He told you and watch how the next steps will come to you. Have a good day. God bless you.